G'day, my name's Jim, and today we're going to be doing a review on the 975s by Target. Everything I say in my videos is my own opinions and may not reflect the view of anybody else, including those who host my content. The manufacturers, wholesale, retailers have no idea who the fuck I am and have not asked me to review any of their product. I bought this with my own money and no prior knowledge to anybody else. I don't get any discounts, freebies, hand jobs, backhanders, circle jerks, or any reach arounds. My opinions may differ from yours. No hookers were harmed in the making of this video. Okay, here we have some 975 darts, 21 grams, which is what I throw, or I should say chuck. So the first thing I notice is this box. It's gorgeous, like really nice. It's all embossed. This pattern gives a very tactile sensation. It's very nice inlay, that's for sure. This is a real badge on the front of this. It sticks up about 1 millimeter or so, and the box opens up like this. And mind you, this is the first time I've ever seen this, so you're getting a natural reaction here. And wow, nice, very nice indeed. Okay, so we have a nice little travel case here for them. It's fairly hard on the outside. It looks pretty good. Let's have a quick look inside. Yeah, nice. Yeah, it's nice and stiff, and it's soft on the inside. It doesn't look like it'll probably crush the darts in there. Crush your flights, and it's got plenty of places to put your points and your flights, and enough storage for, you know, to take to your mate's place or to go to the pub for the night and take some replacement bits along with you. So it's nice and compact, and it looks pretty cool. I don't really have too many complaints here. Not bad at all. I'm not sure what you'd like to refer to this as, but it's not really something I would ever use, that's for sure. But you never know, somebody might like it. It comes with spare tips, and these are the Swiss points that screw in and out, which I think is really cool. I absolutely love that idea. This is the spanner for it that unscrews the tips, and I'll definitely be playing around with this a little bit later on, that's for sure. Now, remove this bit of foam under here. Wow. Okay, damn. That's a little bit bloody hard to get my fat ass fingers in here. Crap me, these are hard to release. Wow, these are spectacular. I don't think I've ever seen darts with this much bling. See, I can zoom in, try and get some focus here. Not sure how good they're picking up on camera, but they look amazing in real life. Okay, so through the magic of editing, and 6 months later, these don't look so amazing anymore. This one I have here, I have scrubbed with detergent, and then I put on my buffing wheel and put some polish on it. It looks much better than the others do. I think I might have to try some tarn off or something. I'm not sure if they even still make that shit or not, but yeah, it's definitely been oxidized, fuck me dude. It's definitely been oxidized and not looking so bright and beautiful anymore, that's for bloody sure. Okay, so let's have a look under the microscope, see how much damage they've taken after being smacked together all those hundreds of times with all those 180s. No, I'm fucking bullshitting you, I tell you. Although, I am the absolute master of the 111 and the 555. Okay, so these are the Swiss points, which are These are the Swiss points which we're looking at, and they look quite good. A little blunt. I quite like these. They've got a very nice pattern to them. My goodness, they stick in the board. When I first saw these, I thought, oh man, they've done this on a CNC machine. Must have, you know, taken ages, been really expensive. But no, they actually do it in a big knurling machine. They just chuck it in between two solid steel wheels that spin round and put that pattern on it and spit it straight out. It's done in a blink of an eye. As you can see here, there's actually quite a few chunks taken out of this. There's some really good ones. Some pretty good hits there. I'd say after a few years, she'd start to, or depending on how often you play, I suppose. If you play 3 or 4 games all day, every day, then I reckon probably they'd only last a year or so, and they'd be dead smooth. They'd have nothing left on them. So how about we chuck these on a scale now, and we'll see how much metal and stuff they've lost and how much DNA they've gained. I weighed these when they were brand new, and they were pretty much spot on. They're only a bee's dick in between each other. So the first one is 21.055. Second one is 21 point on the dot. 000 recurring. and the third one is 21.063. So they are extremely very close, within a scrubbing or a sharpening of each other. Okay, so a penny for my thoughts. Well, they're gorgeous when they first come out of the box. If I could find an acid or some kind of cleaning product that would put them back into sort of brand new looking condition, I'd be a lot happier than what I am at the moment, because at the moment they don't look that fantastic. Not after 6 months of use. Look, I love the screw-in points, 10 out of 10. They look amazing when they're unboxed, so 10 out of 10. The weight is spot on, within a few micrograms of each other. They fly really well, they feel good, they throw well, they hold up pretty good, I guess. The tarnishing is not great. The price, $299 Australian dollars. Ouch. Should you buy them? Well, they are a brilliant dart, probably one of the best I've ever had. If you want to spend $300 on some darts, then you'll love these, as long as you like the grip, of course. Are they worth the money? Well, you might have to watch the next video for that. That's where I put them up against a pair of Phil Taylors and some of the cheapest tungsten darts I can find on the internet. Until then, boys and girls, make sure you be safe, stay good, and we'll see you around like a Rissole trendsetters. Play the music! Rocket Man, something, 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 something.
Techno.